Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into how to utilize Notion as a personal assistant. Now let's get started. First off, we're going to create a new page in Notion. This will serve as our main dashboard. We're doing this because having a dedicated dashboard helps keep everything organized and easy to access. Next up, we're going to add the widgets we need. Click on the plus Add a New Widget button and then select the widgets that suit your needs. This might include a calendar, task list, or note-taking section. The reason we do this is because widgets allow us to customize our dashboard, making it as personal and efficient as possible. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on the plus New Task button and fill in the details of your task. This helps us because Notion will keep track of all our tasks, making sure we never forget anything important. Next, we'll integrate other apps with Notion. Go to Settings and Members, then Integrations, and finally add a new integration. You can integrate apps like Google Calendar, Slack, or Gmail. The reason we do this is to bring all our work into one place, reducing the need to switch between different apps. Lastly, we'll set up reminders. Click on a task, then Due Date, and finally, Remind Me. Set the time you want to be reminded. This is crucial because it ensures we never miss a deadline or forget a task. And there you have it, a fully functional Notion personal assistant. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized, efficient, and organized way to manage your tasks and your time. Thanks for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep learning.